Hi everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daedran. The Ethnic Relations Commission, ERC of Guyana, has called for an immediate ban on Vybz Kartel's song, Good Like Jesus. According to Newsroom Guyana, in a statement released on Wednesday, the ERC denounced the song for its deeply offensive depiction of Jesus Christ, a figure venerated in Christianity and also respected in Islam and Hinduism. The commission cautioned that such content poses a threat to the interreligious harmony that is vital to Guyana's diverse society. The commission has formally requested that the song be removed from broadcast and all digital platforms in Guyana. Additionally, it is in communication with the promoter of an upcoming Vybz Kartel concert to ensure the song is not performed or distributed at the event. The news comes as another blow to the artist, as Trinidad this week reportedly limited his movement in the country around his upcoming scheduled performance. The DJ responded in a video posted to Instagram.
There is no problem with Vybz Kartel performing in Trinidad. You know what I mean? The necessary permits are granted. The problem lies in where the promoter took it upon himself and tried to fill Vybz Kartel itinerary with things that had nothing to do with Vybz Kartel performance. And rightfully so, the defense minister pulled the plug.
He shared that he misses performing in the Twin Island nation and promised fans that his performance will go on. Junior Bowles remembered as a powerful voice with thought-provoking lyrics. In an Instagram tribute today, Jamaica's Minister of Culture and Entertainment Olivia Grange honored the late roots reggae icon Junior Bowles, who passed away at age 77. She praised his powerful voice and thought-provoking lyrics, calling his death a major loss to the music industry. Grange highlighted classics like Beat Down Babylon, Fade Away, Curly Locks and A Place Called Africa, noting their lasting impact and resurgence in popularity over the past 25 years. Dr. Terry Carell Johnson named social media ambassador for Jamaican leg of CeCe Winans' More Than This tour, all net proceeds to charity. The announcement came during this week's media launch at Guardian Life Limited in New Kingston. Speaking with E-Prime, Dr. Johnson said the decision was an easy and purposeful one, aligning with her values and community work.
My community knows what I represent. They know what I stand for. They know that I am a believer in the Lord Jesus, and I am unapologetic and unwavering about it. And so when the opportunity came, it was an absolute yes. And I know that my community will be behind me.
Her charity, the Open Door Jamaica Foundation, launched last year to support children with physical disabilities, is among the beneficiaries of the concert's proceeds.
When I heard that we were listed as a beneficiary, I don't think there are any words to describe it. I just know that I've been praying to God. I've been asking Him for guidance to navigate this whole space, to know what to take on, how much to take on, how to deal with overwhelm. And this was just a gift from Him.
100% of net proceeds will support the Governor General's Program for Excellence, the Bustamante Hospital's Ophthalmology Unit, Idel Home for Children, and other charities. The concert takes place on the East Lawn of King's House with performances by Chevelle Franklin, Kevin Downswell, Prince Saj, and John Mark Wigan. That's it for your weekend edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.